I am Laurence Dea Dionne and I am a wellness comic artist and educator. Ma langue maternelle, c'est le français, mais j'ai dû apprendre l'anglais quand j'étais très jeune parce qu'on a déménagé aux États-Unis. And since then, I've lived and studied and worked in both languages about evenly. Being bilingual has allowed me to live a fuller life, opening twice as many doors in my personal and in my professional life too.
Hi, I'm Scott MacLeod. I'm a multimedia artist, a filmmaker, and a graphic novelist. I'm an Anglophone who moved to Montreal and began to learn French at 5 years old in a bilingual school. I use French every day in all sectors of my life. Parce que je suis bilingue, je peux trouver l'emploi professionnel et vivre dans la société québécoise. I encourage exploring personal, family, historical bilingual stories through zines and comics.
Comics are a great medium for telling stories, and the picture and the text combination makes it perfect for students to share their ideas about bilingualism in a personal way.
In this project, I will guide the students how to make a zine. So that's a zine here. How to use comic book templates, and also how to use pencils, markers, collage. My no mistakes approach is designed to encourage students to have fun while enjoying the creative process of storytelling and drawing.
Le projet permet d'explorer la relation des élèves avec leurs expériences francophones et anglophones. Alors, le projet ou les sessions sont à la fois en anglais et en français. I want every student to feel like they belong and that they can have a memorable experience making comics at school.